Hi, my name is Hassan Tajali. I'm professor at Texas State University. We have been bringing students here for the last 7 years. We are extremely happy and we continue bringing students here. It is a very safe place. It is a very convenient place. And more than anything else, the very, very friendly staff that they take care of us. It is convenient because the room is equipped with internet, full kitchen, cleaning every week, safe box. It is convenient because we can easily go to Barcelona and come back without any trouble. It is very, very safe, and that makes me very comfortable. Even when students come back from Barcelona late at night, I feel very safe in here. We basically have everything at our fingertip in here, from shopping, from food, restaurants, Barcelona. So that makes it an ideal place for groups of students come here, settle down, and do their summer activities.